What is up, YouTube? Welcome back to the Old Farts Garage. Well, good morning. It's Friday. And here's what we got going on. So, I'm in the stage of finally putting my truck together. Oh, that padding's nice and soft. Anyways, so I'm putting the truck together and this happened. Okay, putting the latches on, got the windows going. Look at this. Right there. Look at that. It's broke. So, what we got going on, because it's broke, and it's like, man, if it ain't one thing, it's another. I just want to get this truck back together in one piece in an easy and comfortable way. But of course, easy is not part of the vocabulary when you're doing a restoration. It is not easy. So, anyways, not even 15 minutes ago, UPS showed up. Look what we got there. Brand new door latch. Okay. It's from LMC. There's the number. Okay. Yeah, there's other... The thing about aftermarkets, sometimes they fit, sometimes they don't. But luckily, so far, LMC has been good for what I've had to do, and I used them again. So anyways, let's go ahead and get this put on. All right. The old one, got the new one. Oh, I forgot my small screwdriver. Doggone it. Hello there, Mr. Train. Yes, we live next to the tracks. Anyway, let me get this off of here. I saw on a group chat, somebody posted a picture of the factory placements of the door handles, the window handle, because some gentleman asked if he had put it on right. And hold on, get a rag here real quick. So anyways, he asked about the door handle and the window handle placement, and I think I'll put a picture of it because I went ahead and copied it, and I'll put one on there. But it says something like, I think the door handle goes up here and this is like way down here, and I don't know, so we'll see. Wrong size. And I've never done this before. Well, I mean, I took them off the paint thing, but I never took it off from over here. It was just actually the latch was just laying. It was just sitting down here on the bottom. It was just hanging from there. I never actually completely took it off. And but I will today. And I think you're supposed to take just these two screws that are over here on the side. I actually added the weather stripping too yesterday while I was at it, because I'm trying to put as much stuff back on as I can. I put the hood lights on, the parking lights. I put one of the tail lights and the reverse lights on. And yes, this truck does have reverse. But I'm waiting on the other one. I ordered that also from LMC. Again, shout out to LMC. Not affiliated with them, they just happen to have the parts I need. You know? All right. Yep. There went the latch because it's broke. Nope. Keeps falling apart on me. And what these are the tabs that hold this in place. Okay. That's what's falling apart. Okay. I don't know if you can see them, but it's the tabs that hold the latch here together. And see here, I can't. I've gotta undo these. Sorry for my backside. All right. I hate doing this, but here we go. I hope that paint didn't lock them in place. Ah, there we go. There's one. And I hope when I put it back together that I put it back the right way so that we don't have any more problems. I hope there's no hidden screws on the inside. Is there? No, probably up there. Jeez. Put this one back in there. And yeah, it's scratched up a little bit right here. But excuse me, damn. But that's going to be covered up with the door panel, and I can just mix up a little bit and dab that in there. So, yeah, that was it. All right. I hope half my door doesn't fall apart just from taking apart one screw. Again, excuse my backside. All right, let me see. What do we got going on here? Oh, doggone it. Yeah, if it ain't one thing, it's another. Shit. Dang it. We gotta take that off of there. Shit. All right, we gotta take this rail out. Do. One thing, it's another. Good thing I haven't put my felt in there yet. I also got that in the mail today. UPS guy showed up with the door latch and the window stripping there. Okay, now I gotta juggle this on out of here. Hey, there we go. It just fell right on out of there. Jeez. Okay. Fine, I'll take the whole thing out. Jeez Louise. Alright, there we go. Broken one. I'm sure if it can be fixed. Maybe I'll try my skills at welding and weld those tabs back in there. That's pretty loose. Huh? Damn. Alright, let's just go ahead and get this done. Stop lollygagging. Or lollygagging, or whatever you want to call it. Come on. Get in there. There we go. Now for the fun part. Putting it back in. Jeez. That's for the door latch. Okay, don't get my screws all mixed up again. There. Clean this up a little bit. Hold on. Some of this dirt. This rust preventing dirt. There we go. All right. Let's get her in there. Really, Fernando? Okay. Now I got it. Yeah. Try it again. Putting the latch on. Take two. Move this over here some. Something here. This will be my third hand right there. There we go. I'd like to say easy peasy, but it actually wasn't. It was not easy peasy. Okay, remember where that went. For not knowing what the hell I'm doing, it actually went fairly easy. And no, I didn't have butter for breakfast with my toast, so my hands are not greasy. I just struggle with my hands a lot here lately as I get older. I might have to readjust my striker though, or the door latch, I mean. Okay, good deal. All right, let's put the rest of these on there. Okay, so this one goes here. Yeah, I have my wrist is fused, so I can't bend it. Okay. And that's one of my big struggles, is that since I can't bend my wrist, it's hard to get into certain spots, you know. And I can't like reach into tight areas and, you know, stuff like that, because of the fact that I can't bend my wrist. And in the accident, which was, I used to drive truck, and a lady caused an accident. She caused a pileup, and of course, I was involved. I was the one that got hurt. It broke my wrist and both my shoulders, and because of that, I only have 40% strength, grip, 40% grip strength in that hand, and 60% in my right hand. So yeah, I gotta go easy a lot of times on stuff. Because there's times where I actually do drop things because of the use of my hand. So, unfortunately, it is what it is. Okay, let's try it out. Don't want to scratch my face with all this dirt and grime in my hands. What? Okay. What do we got? Okay, this right here. See, but I like having my handles down here. Okay. Some guys don't because it supposedly hits their knees or their legs or they get in the way. And honestly, I prefer it like this. What do you guys say? Do you like them? Where do you like yours at? I like mine at 6 o'clock. Okay. All right. Lock. Okay, I gotta adjust it. See, I'm pulling it. I need a flashlight. Hold on there just a sec. I need a flashlight. Make sure I got that in there right. Oh my God. Okay. Let's see if this one. Okay. Yeah, I need to adjust this one here. All right. So, oops. Let's loosen that up. I don't know where I got to go with it. Let's go ahead and let's go towards the back. See how that works. Looks a lot. All right. Why are you not working for me? Let's move it again. There we go. There it is. So, It's all the way, push it all the way to the front. That's where it went. Not in the middle, not all the way to the back, all the way to the front. I'm gonna have to replace this screw. It's not looking too good. Okay. Lock it. Open. Damn mosquitoes. What the hell? All right. All the way open. Good deal. All right, let's see how it does when I close the door. Perfect. All right, guys. So that's pretty much today's video on replacing my door latch. So hope you all enjoyed that video. Not bad for a first timer. Got a brand new latch on there. It works. So on to the next thing. And again, shout out and thank you to LMC for having this part for me so I could fix my door. And shout out to all my subscribers. And if you're not a subscriber, why not? You know, I really ain't doing nothing exciting. It's just tinkering, doing old fart retirement stuff. But thanks anyways for your subscriptions, your likes, and your comments. And that little, if you click on that bell thing, you'll know whenever I post a new video like this one. So anyways, y'all have a great weekend, and God bless.